Now, hello student of class 10th. Once again, we are here with the last video of the chapter magnetic effect of electric current, and the topic we are covering in this video is domestic electric circuit. So, what is domestic electric circuit? The wiring which we are in our houses to run the so many appliances, they are in the proper way, and that is called domestic electric circuit. So, what are the component of that electric circuit? We will know in this video, and so many other thing also we are going to see in this video. Let us start domestic electric circuit. Now, how the electric circuit look in our homes? First, you see a wire which is coming from the electric power generated from the power station. They supply electricity to our home through the electric poles or underground cables. Next, electric wires reach our home through main supply. They are of two types. One is live wire. It is of red color insulation and it is also called live wire or positive. The second is neutral wire. It is of black color insulation. It is called neutral wire or negative. The two wires we discuss here, one is of red color and other is of black color. Red color wire is known as live wire and the black color is known as neutral wire. And the potential difference between live and neutral wire is 220 volt. These wires pass into electricity meter through a main fuse or MCB. From main switch they are connected to lines wire in the house. Now this is the domestic electric circuit in our house. If you see the green color wire, it is known as earth wire. Red color wire is known as live wire. You see it is connected with the electricity board fuse, and through it is connected with the electricity meter. Then after that it is moving in the so many appliances in our room. So this is the way how the electric circuit in our house is made. This is a circuit diagram of the electric house. It is very important diagram also, and it is asked 1 or 2 times in the board exam also. So you have to make practice of this circuit diagram. Normally there are two circuits are used. One is 15 amperes current rating circuit. If you see in your house, there are big plugs are there, big sockets are there, in which we connect our fridge, geyser, heater, like this appliances we connect in that is called 15 ampere current rating circuit. These are used for appliance having higher load like electric iron, geyser, etc. And there are some small sockets also, 5 ampere current rating. These are used for appliances having less load like tube light, TV, etc. So two current rating sockets we are using in our home. One is 15 ampere and one is 5 amperes. Different sockets in a switch. There are normally 3 sockets in a switch. These are for connecting 3 wires. If you see sockets are there in a house, there are 3 holes are there in which 3 pins are connected. For one is live wire, it is of red color. The second is neutral wire, it is of black color, and the third is of green color. It is known as earth wire. What is earth wire and what is the use of the earth wire? Earth wire is the third type of wire in our electric circuit. It doesn't carry any electric circuit. इसमें कोई current flow नहीं करती. One end of the earth wire is buried into the earth and other end is connected to the metal casing of the electric appliance by using 3-pin plug. If you see any appliance which has 3-pin plug, and if you see the 3 pin size, the one pin is bigger, longer and thicker. That pin is known as earth pin. Whenever we are using that pin into the socket, first that pin insert into the big hole and it is connected with the earth, and if there is any leakage in the current, means any insulation of the wire is removed by using continuously. बहुत बार यूज़ करने पे तार के ऊपर का जो रबर है वो हट जाता है, वहाँ से तार खुल जाता है, और अगर वो हमारे किसी मेटल अप्लायंस से टच हो जाता है तो हम जब सर्किट को ऑन करते हैं तो करंट उसमें फ्लो कर सकती है. तो सबसे पहले क्या होता है कि अगर करंट कहीं पे फ्लो कर रही है तो वो तार के द्वारा अर्थ में चली जाएगी, अर्थ में चली जाएगी. सो द पिन इज बिगर एंड थिकर. दैट्स वाई इट कैन नॉट बी इंसर्टेड इन अदर सॉकेट. पिन का लंबा होना और मोटा होना इस बात के लिए है कि वो किसी और पिन में, किसी और होल में इंसर्ट ना हो सके. इट इज़ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन कि वाई द अर्थ पिन इज बिगर एंड थिकर. So the earth pin is bigger and thicker that it cannot be inserted in any other socket. If by chance live wire touches any metal case part of appliance, then current passes directly to the earth. Hence the earth wire is used to prevent people from getting electric shock. And this wire has a green color insulation. So green color for the earth, red color for the live, and black color for the neutral wire. Now what is overloading? This is a very common word we are using in our houses that overloading की वजह से हमारे तार जो है वो जल गए, या बहुत सारे appliances, बहुत सारे circuit जो है हमारे ख़राब हो गए due to overloading. So what is overloading? Now we discuss about overloading. If you see this figure, and there's so many plugs are inserted in the same socket. So this is the way how we are making the connection overloaded. So when this happen, a large amount of current is flow in the circuit. Too many electrical appliances are used simultaneously, or too many electrical appliances are connected to the same socket. They draw extremely large current from the circuit, and due to this the wires may get overheated and fire may start. This is called overloading. What is short circuit, or what is the meaning and how it happens? So if we see that there is live wire and neutral wire, when they are connected, a sparking is there, and we say that the circuit is short. So what is a short circuit? When the live wire and the neutral wire come in direct contact, when live wire and neutral wire comes in direct contact with each other, they cause short circuit, and this happen if insulation of the both wire get torn and current flows through the wire without much resistance. Means there is less resistance and large amount of current flow in that wire. So what will happen? This happen if the insulation, if the both wire get torn and current flow through the wire without much resistance, and due to high current passing through the wire may get heated up and they catch fire. This is called short circuiting. Now how to prevent short circuit? What we have to do to prevent the short circuit? It is prevented by using fuse. Fuse is a very common word we use regularly in our houses. Now what is fuse? Fuse is a safety device. A fuse is a device which is used in a circuit to prevent damage to the appliances and the circuit due to overloading. It stops the flow of unduly high electric current also. So fuse is a safety device which prevents the appliances when there is a large amount of current in the circuit, and it breaks and prevent the current flow into the appliances. This is a figure of the fuse. If you see that live wire is connected with the fuse wire, a fuse wire is there and the live wire is connected with the fuse wire. Whenever there is a large current, the heat flows and the fuse wire melt. If you see the second figure, the fuse wire melt and break the circuit. So what will happen? The current will not move into the appliances and the appliances will save. This is the way how the fuse wire connected with the fuse. Nowadays MCB we are using. MCB, the full form of MCB is miniature circuit board or breaker. It is used in the place of fuse. MCBs are look like this. All of you have seen this MCB. If current become too large, MCB put off a switch and breaking of the power supply. This can be switched on again and reused. Means we have not to always connect the fuse as we are using the fuse wire. So it is a very safe device and it is very easy to use also. Whenever the MCB gets down, it means that there is some problem is there in the circuit. We have to check that, and again if we switch on this MCB, the current will flow again. What is the difference between MCB and fuse? Fuse is older technology, MCB is a new technology. Fuse can be used, fuse cannot be reused, and this can be reused. Fuse is now not in use and it is now used in homes. It works on principle of heating effect of current, but MCB works on the principle of magnetic effect of electric current. This is the difference in fuse and MCB. So this is all about this video. This is the last topic we are covering in this video. Now revise from your NCERT, revise from your reference book, solve so many questions, and if you have any problem you can call